The Totalitarian Two-Step by Dennis C. Jantzen, as narrated by Bonnie Jantzen, Denver, Colorado. Chapter 4. So, what happens to stocks, bonds, and pension funds? Paper is poverty. It is only the ghost of money and not money itself. Thomas Jefferson. The U.S. financial markets will soon sell off and depreciate approximately 80% after making new highs, then off to the races, skyrocketing higher. However, just like Venezuela, the currency will return to its intrinsic value of zero and have near zero in purchasing power. According to Adam Ferguson, who wrote in his fantastic book regarding the German Weimar Republic's economic collapse, When Money Dies, the middle class and so-called upper class's wealth will be destroyed. Retired persons with fixed incomes from investments or pensions and government officials are perhaps the hardest hit. It can readily be realized that what before the war had been a fair competence, incomes up to 10,000 marks, big bucks a year back in 1920, is now entirely inadequate for the barest necessities. All the stocks and bonds will be near worthless because they are only redeemable in a currency that will not have much purchasing power. Notice the similarity between the Venezuela stock market and the U.S. stock market. As a result of the upcoming financial collapse in the debt-based paper investment market, those investors that did not protect their wealth in tangible, safe assets such as gold and silver will be wiped out. The consequence will be a high level of poverty, food shortages, austerity measures, means testing, increased prostitution, crumbling infrastructure, increased crime levels, unstable energy sources, a lower quality educational system, increases in disease, the government's stimulated price and wage rates, lower quality of health care, reduction in social services, increased drug and alcohol dependency, increased suicides, and two tiers of wealth which will be rich and poor. What is theft of the diminishing middle class will be eliminated. However, out of crisis comes opportunity. Wealth is never destroyed. It only transfers. This is the most incredible opportunity to be had on the right side of the wealth transfer, and that is in gold and silver. Wealth shortly will be measured in ounces, not in currency, paper, or fictitious coins.